All right, today's lesson is cutting tools. So here I am with the self-healing mat and the transparent ruler, getting ready to cut with a rotary cutter, which it has a round blade, but it's going to give us nice, straight, clean edges. So I'm just lining it up because I want to make sure I'm starting at the 11 inch on the side to me, and it's 11 inch far away. So here's the rotary cutter. It's very sharp, so hold it the correct way. Never put your finger up close to the blade. Hold it safely. Now you're going to slide back that plastic part, and it will reveal the blade. Take your other hand, your non-dominant hand, place it behind the guard of the transparent ruler. Keep those fingers safe. Now, once you slide back the blade, place it so that it's sitting 90 degrees to the cutting mat, and right next to the ruler, you bear down and you push away. And then there you go. If you have a nice clean new blade, it'll turn out beautifully. Now, if it doesn't turn out how you like, then just pick it up and try again. Now, we have our pinking shears. Now, pinking shears have a zigzag blade, and when you cut with them, look, they'll leave you with zigzag edges. These will come into play later on after we start sewing our seams. And here we are. Typically the star of the show, your dressmaker shears. They are meant to have a very sharp blade, and if you treat them nicely, they will stay that way. They're used to cut fabric and thread only. Do not cut paper with these. Do not cut hair with these. These are meant to cut fabric and thread only, and they will cut like butter if you are nice to them and treat them with the respect they deserve. Notice they also have a bent handle, and that makes it so that you can keep the shears on a flat surface while you cut. And let's say you've sewn a seam or two and you don't like it. See, I don't like the way that pinwheel square matches up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the seam. So that means I'm ripping out the stitches. So in comes our seam ripper, who is our new best friend and very sharp. See where that U shape is? That's where the blade is. So be very, very careful. Now, there are a few different ways to use this. This is the way I recommend beginners use it. All right, lift or place that blade underneath the stitches and lift up. Move over some, lift up. Move over some, lift up. Now this is pretty strong fabric. It's not going to rip too easily, so I'm just going to put a little bit of pressure there, and look what happens, okay? Then once you have it open like that, you can go in and lift and cut those threads there, whatever you need. The seam ripper is your new best friend. Think of him as like an eraser with your pencil. He really helps you undo your mistakes. So say hello and goodbye, new best friend.